Master cloud storage management. Cloud storage is the backbone of modern data management, but without proper organization, it can quickly become chaotic. Let's look at how you can manage your cloud storage efficiently. First, create a clear folder structure. Organize by category, project, or client. Label folders properly and avoid dumping files into the main directory. Set a routine to delete old or unused files. Over time, outdated data can take up space, making it harder to find what's important. Enable automatic backups and sync across your devices. This ensures your files are always up to date and safe, even if one device fails. Always review and manage permissions for shared files. Limit access to sensitive data and remove access when it's no longer needed. With these simple tips, cloud storage management becomes a breeze. Organize, clean, and secure your data so you can focus on what matters most. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Please press the bell icon.